Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll show you how to block a Windows application in the firewall using the command prompt. This is a simple yet effective way to restrict internet access for specific applications. So let's get started. First, you need to open command prompt as administrator. Search for Sendy in the start menu, right click on the command prompt and select run as administrator. Decide which application you want to block. For example, I'll be blocking the notepad.exe in this demonstration. Make sure you know the full file path of the application. You can find it by right clicking the application shortcut. Select the properties and looking under targets. In the command prompt, type the following command to block the application. Net shedb firewall add rule name equals block notepad dir out action equals block program equals c backslash windows system 32 notepad.exe enable yes equals yes. Make sure that you replace your Windows system notepad.exe with the path to your application and block notepad with a custom rule name. To verify the rule has been added, use the command net shedb firewall show rule name equals block notepad. This will display the details of the rule. Try running application and accessing the internet. You'll notice that it's blocked from outbound communication. And that's how you block a Windows application in the firewall using CMD. So if you wish to unblock the application later, use the command net shedb firewall delete rule name block notepad. So this is useful for restricting certain apps for accessing the internet. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video if you found this helpful. See you in the next tutorial.